Perform the operations indicated. We have negative 1 over 4. When we don't have any sign, it means we have multiplication. And in parentheses, we have 6 minus 10 to third power. So the rule for rational numbers is the same always. First, we have to do always whatever we can do in parentheses. The power next multiplication, division from left to right, or at the end the addition and subtraction from the left to right. So first here we have to do operations in parentheses. We have subtraction. So negative 1 over 4 we copy, and in parentheses we will have 6 minus 10. When we have subtraction of integers, we change this to addition of opposite. So we copy 6, we change subtraction to addition, and opposite to 10 is negative 10 to third power. Why I did this? Because we have to subtract from the smaller number greater number. So now when I rewrite this to addition, we see what we have to do here. We copy the beginning, negative 1 over 4, and in parentheses we have addition of integers. One is positive, one negative. So first we check, we forget about negative sign, we check which of these two numbers is greater. 10 is greater than 6. So we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign and we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 10 minus 6, close parenthesis, to third power. So this is equal negative 1 over 4 we copy, and in parentheses we have negative 10 minus 6 is 4 to third power. So next we have to do the power. So negative 1 over 4 we copy times, and when we have negative 4 to third power, it means we have to multiply negative 4 3 times. So this is equal. Because we have here now multiplications, so what I will do, I can reduce, because we have 4 in the denominator, I can rewrite this whole number as a fraction. So let me copy, we have negative 1 over 4 times, we can write negative 4 over 1, and the rest we will rewrite negative 4 times negative 4. So this is equal. First, we have to concentrate on the signs. We have negative times negative times negative times negative. The number of negative signs is even. When we have even negative numbers, the answer is always positive. How? Because we multiply negative times negative, this is always positive. And we have again negative times negative, so give me positive. It doesn't matter if we have fractions or integers. When we multiply negative times negative, or when we divide negative by negative, the answer is positive. So we have positive times positive will be positive. So we can write positive sign. And now, like I said, we have here fractions. We can reduce 4 and 4. Maybe let me rewrite this one more time. We don't have now this negative sign. We have 1 4 times 4 over 1 times 4 times 4. So this is equal. 4 and 4 I can reduce. I divide numerator and denominator by 4. So now we have positive sign, we don't have to write. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 1 over 1. And we have 4 times 4. So this is 16. When we have multiplication, it doesn't matter which number you multiply first. You can multiply 1 times 4 or 4 times 1. It doesn't matter, the result will be the same. 1 over 1 is 1, so we have 1 times 16 is 16. This is my solution.